Here's a quick video of the Generac installation that won't start. So right now the gas tanks are full and the valves are open. So that's not the problem. Here is, I think what this is called a regulator. And that seems to be installed properly. And then over here is the generator. This valve is open, so the propane should be traveling in. Here's the rest of the connection. All looks good. And now here's the generator. I'm flipping the circuit breakers to on, and I am switching this to manual. And this is what it's doing. It's cranking, but it doesn't start. It says cranking attempt 1. And now it says pause for 5 seconds, and I guess it's going to try again. I'm gonna turn it off because I don't want it to kill the battery. But this is a brand new generator, and looks like everything's been set up, but it's not starting. So let me know what you suggest we do.